So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you to Potty Packs for sending me more product. Thank you for even thinking about me. I know I'm not a bigger content creator compared to a lot of channels on here, but just being considered, it feels so amazing and it really touches me. So again, thank you for even thinking about me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Today I have a review for you guys. I was sent some product. I worked with this company before, so this is my second time working with them, and they sent me some new product. They have 2 new products out right now. This company is called Potty Packs. So you have heard about this before, you've seen my review, and if you haven't seen my review, I'll leave it somewhere up here. So basically, Potty Packs has everything you need in one package, and this one is the original potty pack. So it has a toilet seat cover, toilet paper, wet wipes, and hand sanitizer. I have used these before. Like I said, I keep a few of these in my car, in my backpack when I was going to school. I completed school, and I keep some in my purse. So like I said in the previous video, I'm pretty sure I said this. I'm pretty sure I said this, or I might have typed it down in the description box or whatever. I said that if they could come up with a pack that kinda targets the female cycle, and the red wave, hey, Aunt Flo came to visit. So first up is the period pack. Now, for one, let's get into the packaging. So feminine, so discreet, even care. So I do like the packaging a lot. I like the back. So in the period pack, they have included a tampon, panty liner, wet wipe, hand sanitizer, pain relief, and a stain remover wipe. So tampon, we clearly know what a tampon is used for. Okay, panty liner, if you have a heavy flow and you have to use both or something, I don't know, just coming off your cycle and you don't really necessarily need a pad, it's very light, I don't know, might need a panty liner. Wet wipe, things get messy. Okay, hand wipe, things get messy and the messiness can get on your hands. Okay, hand sanitizer to dilute the germs of the messiness. Okay, pain relief. Do I really have to explain pain when it comes to a period? A lot of men, let me get on my soapbox real quick. A lot of you men make fun of how we complain about the pain when we are on our cycle. You don't know. You will never know. You won't ever know the severity, okay, the continuous throbbing. It feels like a rhinoceros is sticking you with its horns right in your abdomen, okay, right in your cervix. It is painful. We are not being dramatic. Now, some women, they are definitely over dramatic. They want to be cuddled and, you know, baby. I don't want you to look at me. Okay, this is just me. I don't want you to look at me. I don't want you to talk to me. Pass the tacos and get out my face. That's just me. But we are not, majority of us are not being dramatic when we say we're in pain. So having a pain relief tablet, I guess I'm opening this up in a minute, it helps. I believe the pain relief is Midol. So shout out to you, Potty Packs. Okay, shout out to you because y'all really did it. Y'all didn't, I never really thought about a stain remover wipe as far as my period. But hey, things happen. You may need it. That's it. Has to use any of this. So They have the name brand stuff. Oh my God. Shout. Wipe and go. Okay. One full wipe. They have a moist towelette. Then they have the feminine wipes. Individual flushable moist wipes with aloe vera and vitamin E. Easy to carry. Single use packet. Then they have the tampon, and this is a regular size stuff. Cramp tabs. Don't remove. Then they have, what is this? Instant hand sanitizer and a panty liner. And how many I got? Because these are the exact panty liners that I use. Like, these are super thin. Look how thin it is. Super thin. Very convenient. Put these in your car. Put these in your glove compartment box so nobody really sees them. Leave them at your desk. Leave them in your backpack. We have the Hangover Kit. So say you go out Taco Tuesday and you had way too many margaritas, okay? This is the kit for you. This has a painkiller and antacid medication, electrolyte powder, mint, and lip balm. Refreshing. So I went ahead and opened one of the packs and I tried the electrolyte powder, and I have a clip of it. This flavor is orange. It's really not bad. It doesn't have like a strong taste. It's sort of along the lines of like Powerade and Gatorade. So just so you know, it's nothing like too strong. It's just gonna send you over the roof and then you come crashing down. It really just tastes like Powerade, and I love the orange Powerade, so this is right up my alley. So, Hangover Kit. What else do you get in here? You get a Diatam, I believe that's how you say it. You get lip balm, and it's pomegranate flavored with vitamin E, beeswax, and other natural emollients. So this is a nice little amount of lip balm. Also, you get aspirin, because we know if you drink too much and a headache comes, I'm gonna say moist towelette, and you get a peppermint, because you just let loose too much. Keep some of these in your car. Hopefully you don't get drunk to the point where you don't remember where your car is at. Don't drive drunk. Please drink responsibly. These are great products. I love being sent products like these that aren't ordinary. Like, you would never think. I really feel like they hit a jackpot with this idea. Period packs, genius. Okay, the Hangover Kits appeal to the younger crowd, like the college kids, and you know, older generations or whatever. For those that just like to party, like they just like to kick it, this is a great product for you to try out, and it's super affordable. And shout out to Potty Packs, because they are really trying to get more products rolling, and the products are good, and you're going to use them. They're not just going to sit on the shelf. So again, I am thinking about doing a giveaway. If I do a giveaway, again, check the description box below. I will have everything you need to do down there, so you will be entered. And like I said, you don't got to pay for anything. I'll send off one of each.